Looking for the perfect concrete grinder but not sure where to start? Stick around, we've tested the top models, so you don't have to. Coming in at the bottom of our list is the SOLARCROWS. It's a decent entry-level handheld grinder, but compared to others in this review, it just doesn't keep up. That doesn't mean it's bad, it simply means the competition is really strong. This grinder packs a solid 1800 watts of power, so you're not under-equipped. It's got a dust extraction tube and even edging capability, which means you can get into tight corners where some bulkier grinders struggle. And with its low vibration design, it's clearly built with user comfort in mind, which we appreciate for long sessions. Now the downside is its 5-inch disc. It's a bit small, so you'll cover less area per pass. It's also on the heavier side for a handheld model, which might wear you out quicker. Plus, this brand isn't as well known, so replacement parts or long-term support might be hit or miss. If you're tackling small to medium projects and want something affordable and easy to handle, this could work. And remember, we've included links to all these grinders at the best prices in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Next up is the KSEIBI, a compact and well-equipped grinder that improves on some of the things the previous model lacks. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done with reliability and consistency. This grinder offers 1400 watts of power, which is more than enough for light to moderate concrete grinding. It runs at a fast 8500 RPM, which is great for smoothing rough surfaces. Plus, it comes with all the essentials: a dust shroud, a diamond cup wheel, and dual handle options for better control. But just like the previous grinder, it also uses a 5-inch disc, which means it's not ideal for big surface areas. And at just over 13 pounds, it's still a bit on the heavier side for extended handheld use. If you're after a complete kit and value solid performance without overcomplicating things, the KSEIBI is a great middle ground pick. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, go ahead and like the video and hit that subscribe button. It helps a ton. In the middle of the pack is the Wohenhao, and this one stands out for one big reason: size. With a 7-inch disc, it covers more area in less time, making it ideal for larger jobs. Its 13.5 amp motor is powerful and smooth, and that wider disc makes it faster at grinding compared to the earlier models. It's also got a pretty effective dust control system, which is always a plus when working indoors or in tight spaces. The downside? It's not light. At nearly 16.5 pounds in its packaging, it's one of the heaviest in the handheld group. Also, some of its technical details, like the exact voltage and compatibility, aren't clearly listed, so double check before you buy. Still, if you're working on medium to large surfaces and want more grinding per pass, this tool brings great value to the table. Getting close to the top now, we've got the LJIA, and this thing means business. It's a high-powered wall planer designed to take on serious jobs, not your average DIY grinder. It's packing a huge 4,580 watts, giving it more punch than any of the handheld tools we've talked about so far. It also has variable speed control, which is super helpful when dealing with different surfaces. Add in the built-in dust suction system, and this grinder is clearly made for tough, messy work. That said, this tool isn't built to work on your standard 120-volt system. It needs 220 volts, so unless your job site is ready for it, you'll need an adapter or transformer. Also, there's no disc size clearly mentioned, which makes it a bit harder to compare directly with others. Still, if you're grinding concrete walls, floors, or other rugged surfaces and you want sheer power, the LJIA is an absolute beast. And finally, the top dog, the Lealan CONGRIN-12. This isn't just a grinder, it's a floor-eating machine built for industrial-level performance. If you've got massive square footage to tackle, nothing on this list comes close. With a 10-horsepower motor and 12 grinding heads, this unit covers nearly 25 inches of surface in one go. It's made to flatten and polish floors fast. No frills, no nonsense. It's slow in speed, but extremely consistent and efficient over long runs. Of course, this is a 220-volt unit, and it's not portable like the others. This isn't a tool you pick up with one hand. It's big, it's heavy, and it's meant for pros who need serious results. If you're running a commercial project or a large-scale concrete restoration job, the CONGRIN-12 is worth every penny. This one is for the big leagues. That wraps up our concrete grinder roundup. Don't forget, you can find all the top products from this review using the links down in the description. And if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.